Good morning everyone, I am Atena, the web marketing manager in Marca Corona, and in this tutorial I will show you how to use Pinterest, a social network widely used by professional and private to search for inspiration and products online. Social networks are personal, private, voluntary-based tools, but they can also be leveraged to improve our professional online presence. In case you want to use your profiles to promote your company or your partner brands, we invite you to pay the utmost attention, respect the common rules of politeness and moderation, and try to conform to the image and tone of communication of the selected brands. In general, sharing already existing posts is the easiest and quickest way to populate your profile and increase the visibility of the partner brands. This tutorial is made directly from smartphone. In any case, you can also use Pinterest from desktop. The interface will certainly be different, but the function, logics and icons remain unchanged. After downloading the Pinterest app on your smartphone from the Play Store or Apple Store, we go to the main screen of the device and click on the Pinterest app. The Pinterest homepage opens. On Pinterest there are three key elements: the pin, that is the single post uploaded or shared from others; the board, that is a thematic folder to be created to save all our pins concerning a specific theme; and the hashtag, that is one or more keywords to be inserted in our new content to make it visible to all other users interested in the same topic. On the home page we find a roundup of pins recently published on the platform. We can choose to see all the pins related to the themes of our previous researches and uploaded by any other Pinterest users, even unknown one. By clicking on Followed, we can instead choose to see only the pins of the profiles we already follow. Clicking on the other icon at the top right, which are the titles we gave to the boards we have already created on our profile, we can see the pins of any Pinterest user connected to the specific theme of that single board. For example, if I click on the bathroom icon, I will only see photos of bathroom. At the bottom, we find the function bar. By clicking on the magnifying glass icon, we can do searches by keywords. Through the bubble, we can instead check the latest notification on pin resharing and private messages. From our photo at the bottom right, we can instead access our personal profile. Let's click on it to see how our Pinterest profile looks like. Clicking will land on my personal profile, Athena's one. On your Pinterest profile, you have to create separate boards organized by theme, where you can upload new pins or reshare existing content, that is, you can make a repin of others' posts. When creating a new pin, it's essential to also insert hashtags, that is, keywords useful to increase the visibility of the pin among all users interested in the mentioned topics. Next to the profile photo, we find two icons, board and pins, from which we can choose what will be displayed below. By selecting boards, we can see all the boards created by the profile, and by clicking on one board, we can discover all the posts saved in it. On Pinterest, it's possible to follow both a profile, to stay updated on all its boards and pins, or to follow just a single board, that is to receive updates only about that specific theme. In both cases, just land on the desired profile or board and click on the red button Follow, so that all new contents are promptly displayed on your home page. Here you don't see a follow button. By clicking on Pin instead, you will see the single posts you have uploaded or repinned recently. Through the search box, we can type a keyword and find all the pins or profiles connected to the desired term. But let's see how to create a board and then how to create a new pin to populate the existing boards. Click on the plus sign and choose to create a new board. We must give a name to the board, for example, Design Ideas. Add any other collaborators, that is to authorize other Pinterest users to add contents to our board. Finally, we must choose whether to make it visible or to keep it secret. The green light means secret board. A secret board may be created to collect ideas and inspiration and keep them visible only to us, not to other users. Click on Next and then on Done. Now that we have created a board, let's put some content in it. So let's see how to create a new pin, not yet present on Pinterest. Let's go back to our profile and click to the plus sign once again. This time we choose to create a pin. We can take a photo, choose content directly from the web by clicking on the word icon and inserting the link of the desired page or web image, or we can upload something from the image gallery of our device, which opens automatically. We can upload one or more images, preferably in vertical format, or a light-sized video. I select then a photo, for example this photo of the Victoria coverings, click on Next and type a title, for example Victoria coverings by Marca Corona. Then you have to add a description. In the description, it's essential to insert several hashtags connected to the photo and the settings. You can choose the language of your targeted audience, for example here ceramics, wall tiles, interior design, bedroom ideas, because we talk about ceramic, bedroom spaces, and we want to address an international audience. Anyway, we could write also in Italian or French to focus on those specific audiences, or choose other hashtags. We could tag some Pinterest users or pages as well through the snail icon. We can also insert a link, for example the Marca Corona website page dedicated to the Victoria collection, so that whoever clicks on the image can land on the website and find further insight. How do you get the link of a web page? You just go to the desired page, for instance the Victoria website page. You copy the link from the horizontal string at the top of page and paste it into your new Pinterest post. By clicking on Go, you can check that the link is correct and modify it if necessary. In any case, many images and contents present online can be reshared on social network directly from their web page, simply by clicking on the dedicated share icon, that is 3 dots linked to form a sort of triangle, and then on the desired social icon. We can save this new pin in one of our previously created boards or decide to create a new board. Let's see. So click on Next and choose the existing board. We choose the Design Ideas board we just created, and then the pin is automatically saved there and you are automatically redirected to your profile or to the home page. Let's now see how to reshare an existing post, that is, how to make the so-called repin. We can do it directly from your page by choosing one of the posts shown there, or through the magnifying glass icon on the function bar. Let's look at the second case. Click on the magnifying glass. You are already presented with some posts related to your previous researches or some themes particularly popular on Pinterest. Enter the design keyword in the search box, for example Marca Corona, and click on the lens below. Using the filter, here is the Marca Corona profile. Using the filters on top, on right, we can choose what type of content we want to see between pins, people, and boards. We choose pins because we want to search for new inspirational photos, but we could also search for new profiles or single boards connected to the chosen keyword. We scroll and choose a pin to interact with. By clicking on it, we can decide to share it with others through Pinterest message or other external portals such as WhatsApp. We can visit the web page linked to that photo, just in case that photo contains a link. And we can save this pin on our profile. Clicking on the 3 dots on right, we can download or save its link. As we want to repin it on our profile, we click on Save, and we have to choose in which board we want to put it, if inside an existing board or if we want to create a new one. We choose our existing board bathroom. The post is automatically published there and it will now be visible on our profile, on the homepage of all our followers. Since the original post contains also several hashtags and a link to its website, my repin will be visible to all users interested in the hashtag mentioned, and they will be able to see the Marca Corona website clicking on the post. To sum up, if you go to the profile of one of your brands and share one of its pin on your profile, you will increase its visibility on the Pinterest platform, and at the same time you will help to generate traffic to its website. These were the main features of Pinterest. Thanks for your attention.